everyone. This is Mao Shajaz. As usual, you're watching me on YouTube and you're listening to me on Spotify. I'm joined with Sadaf Heather, as always, and this time we're going to talk about our favorite dramas, which we have been talking about in the past. So let us know if you're watching any other dramas that we should be talking about. But right now, our current favorites are Gentlemen, Sadaf likes Surad. I like the Patton Ka Ban. I have my issues with it also, but then again, it's a really good drama. Then we have Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum by Farhat Ishtiyaq. And we also have Jaffa, which is a big point of discussion. So, Sadaf, Assalamu alaikum, kaisi hain aap?
Walaikum salam. Good to be with you, Mavish.
Good to have you, Sadaf. What are you watching and what do you want to start our discussion today with? Like, what's the top thing on your, what's the most pressing idea about Pakistani dramas in your agenda, in your mind right now?
I would say Jaffa for me, but maybe that's me. But I think we did quite a bit on Jaffa last time, right?
No,
What
no,
would
but
you
there's
like
so
to
much
talk about?
more. There's so much more that has happened. I think that Jaffa is a great point to start.
Okay, and then shall we go to Rad? Because I've got a lot of requests from people saying, "Ab Rad itna acha hai, आप लोग उसके बारे बात ही नहीं करते और
अच्छा
जिसमें
मैं देख
कमियां
नहीं
हैं
रही हूँ so
उस
I'll
पर वो
let you
करते हैं."
हाँ
Yeah.
I'll let you talk about Rad and we can talk about the rest of the dramas together. Shall we start with Jaffa? What's your take on Jaffa as I mean, a lot has happened in the last episode.
Okay, I'm getting accused a lot of having a very kind of parental outlook on Jaffa and not
Hmm.
understanding young love. And maybe that's true. And as you said last week, बेटा आपको ना 10 सालों में आपसे बात करूंगी कि 18 साल की उम्र में मोहब्बत कितनी देर तक चलती है. But having said that, look, you cannot dismiss anyone's feelings. You know वो जो I think हमारे वक्त में होता था. I think I saw that drama कैद जिसमें एक 15-year-old boy was in love with his teacher. तो वो खुदकशी कर लेता, right? And I still remember saying, if it was my parents, उन्होंने कहा था good. खस कम जहाँ पाक फारिग हुए इससे, right?
Okay.
Because at 15 you should be focusing on your studies. But we should value other people's feelings. I understand करती हूँ Dibu and that boy. अभी it hasn't opened up. Right? कि how what Zarar Khan उस लड़के का उसकी बहुत अच्छी acting है. I think we have mispraising him. But I'm just going to say one thing, and this is what I've said to other people as well. I'm almost disappointed that Numair is such a good guy because I really don't want forced marriages to be proved to be, हाँ भाई माँ बाप ने बहुत अच्छा decision लिया. I don't think so. I personally feel Numair, Deepo is a victim, but थोड़ी सी उसका कसूर है, right? Numair का भी कसूर है. You talk to the person you're going to spend the rest of your life with. But I know he's a busy doctor, थोड़ा सा तंग है जिंदगी से, and you know he's being bullied and railroaded by his mother, right, and sister. तो थोड़ा सा, I mean, and that scene. What did you think of that? When he enters his room and he's very hesitant, और एकदम वो दीपू पहले तो डरी होती है, फिर एकदम you see that little smile of triumph. I mean, I'm going to give praise to Sahar and the entire team for those scenes, right? He takes a step forward and behosh ho jati hai. So it was amazing. And but I don't know, right? Parents aren't always correct. Forced marriages are never correct, but I think this is a truer story than we want it to be.
Yes, yeah. I know that you really like that scene, and definitely props to everyone, especially Sahar. She's done such a remarkable job. My take on Jaffa, starting with the points that you've made, I have a very again a both-sided sort of an opinion. And I think that it's great storytelling. I think overall it's a great story, and I think not every story has to turn out into the ideal lesson that we're hoping it to be. It's just another story that may have happened, and I think we've all heard of these stories. And we've talked about it that we were expecting this situation to go so badly but it didn't. Now, are we supposed to say that all stories that we see on TV are supposed to be cautionary tales and we must see the right thing happening? Sometimes the universe rolls a dice and good things happen too, bad things happen too, so there are all kinds of stories. So the burden of caution and the burden of good lesson overall cannot be just on one story. So that's my opinion as a writer and as a storyteller, because I feel like when we are telling stories, sometimes we're just telling how messed up humanity is and how messed up chance and
Hmm.
chaos is, right? Um, and yes, it's just good luck that she ended up being with somebody, or well, she's not with somebody that somebody in the most soulful sense. She's not willing to be married to this person, but yeah, the connection happened in a very unfortunate way. Now, what's my take on the actors? Obviously, they're all amazing. Sarar Khan, yes, has really improved. I feel like he wasn't that great in College Gate, but he was pretty decent in बारहवां खिलाड़ी. But then again, that was his debut. I think ये पूरे लड़के जो एक ग्रुप है इनका, दानियाल जफर हैं, जरार हैं, खाकान शाहनवाज हैं, शावीर जाफरी और ये जो हमजा सुहेल हैं, ये पूरा एक फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप है लाहौरी लड़कों का. एंड देर ऑल सो गुड, लाइक दे लुक अमेजिंग. सबसे पहले तो दे लुक ब्यूटिफुल and they have that very polished kind of vibe to them. So these urban kind of roles, they really settle in very well. They fit very well in those roles, and they're all steadily improving, I must say. Like, I every time I see Khakan Shanawaz, who I didn't think was great in certain things, but every time I see him, I think that he's kind of upped his game. He was good in Yuhi. Then I see Hamza Suhail, and when you see him from Raqib Se to now, or Breaking News, I think he's really amped himself up. He's worked on himself, and he's worked on a lot of things, and he's taken up challenging
Can I
roles.
tell you, he was terrible in Yuhi. Not Yuhi. In Rakib Se, Hamza was like,
Hamza?
I think he was. I'm
No.
sorry. Yes.
No, I thought he
Unpad
was
Abdul,
amazing.
and the accent he had was so urban, Lahore grammar, kind of like
That
it just
he
didn't
still
fit.
has.
I'm
That he
sorry.
hasn't been able to let go. तुम
Yeah.
क्या कर रही हो? तुम कहाँ जा रही हो?
Mm.
This is like a typical Lahori वाली
Yeah.
चीज. I think that इसमें दानियाल जफर सबसे टॉप पे है, because दानियाल ने 12वां खिलाड़ी में वो जो एक पेंडू सा लड़का,
Mm.
बदतमीज पेंडू लड़का, अनकंट्रोलेबल लड़का बना था. और वैसे भी मुझे लगता है कि दानियाल के अंदर एक्टिंग चॉप्स बहुत ज्यादा हैं. मतलब he's a natural, he's probably their family who is so talented. तो वो नेचुरली बहुत टैलेंटेड लड़का है वो, इन लुक्स अमेजिंग. और हमजा के अंदर भी है कि हमजा अगर अपना, वही बात है, जो अपना लाहौरी टिंट जो है उसका थोड़ा सा चेंज करे, तो वो और बहुत अच्छा कर सकता है, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि वो कर सकता है. उसके अंदर है
Oh,
ये चीज.
he has. He has. He's changed. I
हम्म.
mean, like in Fairy Tale, मुझे कराची का लगता था, kind of like the
अब बर्न्स
urban,
रोड के रोमियो जूलियट,
sophisticated
मुझे मुझे
business.
मजा आया था. हाँ, मुझे मजा आया था
Yeah.
उसको देख के, बर्न्स रोड के रोमियो जूलियट
I
में.
think they're all improving, and this is, look, before we finish this, right? Let us point out there's nothing
No, I'm
wrong
not
with
done with Jaffa
learning
yet,
on
by
the
the way.
job.
I have to make my point about Jaffa first. Yeah.
Go
But
on.
आप बताएं. No, आप बताएं, आप क्या कह
No,
रही
no,
हैं?
no. Okay. Well, my point is this: हम लोग complain करते हैं about Xavier, and I still do, right?
Eh.
And people, but if you take, like, these guys have all taken side roles. I think all of these boys have improved. They've been humble in their work. I know I hear their complaints from people. YouTube पे ये बोल दिया, Insta पे वो बोल रहा है, that kind of stuff. वो
नहीं,
तो
और
चलो
आपने
उनका
कहा ना कि
personal
जैसे
है.
उन्होंने साइड रोल्स
Right,
लिए पहले.
small roles, and they have worked their way up, and I find that kind of humility refreshing, right? I'm not sure whether they have the theater background that pehle hota tha, but they've built
आई थिंक
themselves
हमजा
up.
का है. आई थिंक
Yeah.
हमजा का
Acha?
है. आई एम नॉट
Uh,
श्योर. देयर फैंस कैन लेट अस नो.
whatever, they haven't kind of like jumped in, right? Even when they've been the heroes or male leads, right? Particularly Hamza has gotten more lead roles, right? It has been with big ensembles, so that and I think that kind of humility pays off. But then that's me, right? So I mean,
No, but I completely agree with you. Taking those integral but gradual steps towards getting that kind of stardom. Like, if you we look at one of the greatest stars in South Asia, which is Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan started in small time TV roles, and some of these clips sometimes show on my Insta, and they're so funny and refreshing. And you can see how unaffected yet talented he was. So sometimes you've got that raw talent which needs, it needs an outlet, it needs a space. But sometimes there are people who, and like, for somebody as talented as Shah Rukh, he started in those very tiny roles rather than getting a big Yash Raj kind of a film right in the beginning. With these boys, I so agree with you. Like, it's such a good thing that they've tried small, like soap भी किया. खाकान शाहनवाज ने एक छोटा सा soap भी किया है. दानियाल ने भी Let's Try मोहब्बत, एक छोटी सीरीज, relatively small scale सीरीज की. जरार ने 12वां खिलाड़ी थोड़ा सा किया, फिर ये थोड़ा सा किया, फिर और रूल्स थोड़े से किए, बट आपने उसके अंदर इम्प्रूवमेंट देखी। हमजा ने भी ऑब्सक्योर से रूल्स किए और फिर आके वो अब ऑन हिज ओन, यू कैन सी हिम कमिंग अप एज अ स्टार ऑन हिज ओन. So I really think that they have shed that, and Hamza and Daniel are both kids who are coming from very strong families, film and showbiz families. So I completely agree with you, and I think that that is the way to go, as compared to Azan and Xavier and Arsalan Nasir, who have all gotten that kind of those kind of big breaks and are constantly getting big breaks. And I think that's, I mean, yeah, I'm gonna get hate for
नहीं,
this, but what else is?
I go with this के खुदा की जात बेनियाज है,
Hmm.
किस किस को देता है उसकी मर्जी है, ठीक है,
बेशक.
let them take their chance, let these people take their chance. अच्छा,
Hmm.
back to जफा, आप मुझे बताएं,
Back to Jaffa.
finish.
हाँ, back to Jaffa. Yes, important. So, okay, so मेरा as a storyteller तो मैंने आपको बताया ना, as a drama watcher, reviewer, critic, and as somebody who was like very like an audience, I mean, बिल्कुल एक ऐसे बंदे के तौर पे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, like as a woman in her 40s watching a Pakistani drama, there is something so amazing about Numair. And why I want to talk about Numair is because that scene, to you, like you love that scene where she smiles and she's like, haha, मैं जीत गई, bang, But to me, the winner to me was Numair's that point that where he comes to her in the hospital, and she's like, again having a meltdown in front of her parents that I don't want to go with you, I don't want to talk to you. And you can see how emotionally fragile he is. Now, this is great writing, great acting, great direction. Overall, it's such a perfect little sequence where he comes to her and he says, look, I don't want to take you as like a bit of meri biwi ho, that whole vibe that he has, that it's just, I'm just asking you to just take a sip of water. And as a psychologist, Sadaf, that made so much sense to me, because this is what you do. And this is what we don't do as parents in the South Asian community or in the South Asian diaspora. We don't understand the fragility. And I think that is what you talked about. Like previously, अगर किसी लड़के को अपनी टीचर से मोहब्बत हो गई या कुछ हो गया, तो हम उसको नहीं, हम पिट्टी लगाओ, इसकी चपेड़े लगा दो, कमरे में बंद कर दो, हम ये करते
जुत्ती
थे, ठीक है,
उतार के यदि हो
लित्तर पोला, ठीक है. लेकिन हम लोग अब थोड़ी हमारी जो जनरेशन थोड़ी सी अवेयर है, सोशल मीडिया पे है, उनको अपनी फीलिंग्स और अपनी उसकी प्रोटेक्शन का पता है, बाउंड्रीज के बारे में बात करते हैं. आई थिंक इस डे एंड एज में इस तरह का आप वो ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर सकते. आप पकड़ के
नो,
लड़की की शादी नहीं कर सकते, आप लड़के को कमरे में बंद नहीं कर सकते, उसने गोलियां खा ली तो आप उसको और ज्यादा चपेड़े नहीं करा सकते. आपको उसके साथ एज अ फ्रेंड बैठना होगा, उसके साथ एज अ पीयर या उस तरह करके बैठना होगा, और आपको
I
समझना
was
होगा कि वो क्या दुख थ्रू कर रहा है.
I was beside myself when the father says, Numair क्या सोचेगा. I was like, hang on,
हाँ, हाँ,
हमारी
oh
बेटी.
my God, yeah. लाइक वो उसका, और फिर एंड लाइक उसको पूरी भी, अभी भी उसको, उन दोनों को यही था माँ बाप को कि किसी तरह चली जाए, अब नुमेर के साथ चली जाए, अब क्या होगा. और वो पूरी उस ह्यूमिलिएशन से ही बाहर नहीं निकल रहे. उन्होंने बहुत देर में सोचा कि उनकी बेटी इस वक्त किस पेन से गुजर रही है. और मैं, द रीजन आई एम,
Unfortunately, Desi thinking is like that, and
एग्जैक्टली,
I'm glad. I'm glad that they pointed it out. कि
यस,
वो चाहे बुरी है. There was something a friend of mine said long time back, and I took it to heart. Because लोगों की बेटियां होती हैं खराब, लेकिन वो कहते हैं उम्र पे गई है. लड़का जो है कुछ गलत कर रहा होता है because they want to protect their child, right? Not so much of,
देखिए पेरेंट्स तो,
what is the
देखिए सदा,
point of
जो भी जनरेशन होगी और
सारे जो
जितने भी मेस्ड अप
yeah.
पेरेंट्स होते हैं, वो अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट ही करना चाह रहे होते हैं. मेरा कहना ये, और मैं कहती हूँ कि अगर आपको एज इस ड्रामे से कुछ सीखना है माँ बाप को, बच्चों को, तो वो ये सीखें कि कभी कभी माँ बाप भी गलत होते हैं और बच्चे भी गलत होते हैं. ये सिचुएशन है इस वक्त जफा में, जो अंदलीप की सिचुएशन है, वो ये है कि माँ बाप भी गलत हैं और बच्ची भी गलत है. तो कोई दोनों को ग्लोरीफाई या जस्टिफाई नहीं कर सकता. नुमैर की बात मैं ये कर रही थी कि जो इस तरह के हीरोज है ना हमारे यहाँ, वो कम से कम होते चले जा रहे थे. एंड आई थिंक आपको भी पता है कि पिछला एक ऐसा आया था कि हमने कहा हम कौन से ड्रामे के ऊपर बात करें, हम किस ड्रामे को देखें, कि आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू दिस ड्रामा ना, आई वांट टू सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस ड्रामा. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक ऐसा होता नहीं, हमारे पास ड्रामे आते हैं, बहुत अच्छे ड्रामे आते हैं जिनको हम कहते हैं, हाय ये वाला ड्रामा देखा तुमने, ये देखा, उसमें ये हुआ, वी डिस्कस इट एंड वी टॉक अबाउट इट. बीच में एक टॉक्सिक रश जो आया है ना हीरोज का, वो इतना बुरा था. एंड
उन्हें हीरो मत को, उन्हें मेल लीड्स को हीरो
मेल
जो है
लीड्स,
ना,
बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं,
हीरो को हीरो
एक
रहने दें.
जिम्मेदारी
राइट,
होती है हीरो
नो
होना.
मैटर hero because he is
नुमैर
acting,
इज अ
he's
हीरो।
rising to the occasion, right?
तो मैं ये कह रही
एक
हूँ सदा, देखिए जो पाकिस्तान टेलीविजन या ओवरऑल हमारी इंडस्ट्री में या किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में, चलिए ऐसे कर लेते हैं कि हीरो का मतलब ये है, जैसे आपने बिल्कुल ठीक कहा कि हीरो का मतलब है कि कोई ऐसी चीज करे या वो ऐसी पर्सनैलिटी हो जिसको हम एम्यूलेट करें। शी इज माई हीरो, ही इज माई हीरो। हम उसको नुमेर को एम्यूलेट कर सकते हैं। और हमारे यहाँ जैसे कि आप हमेशा कहती हैं कि मर्द अच्छे हैं लेकिन हमारे यहाँ टीवी पे नहीं दिखते हैं, लेकिन हमारे यहाँ ये जो नुमेर है, नुमेर जैसे मर्द मौजूद हैं। और नुमेर ने कितने अच्छे से, कितने सेंसिटिवली, कितने तमीज से, कितने प्यार से, और मैं ये उन लोगों के लिए भी कहती हूँ जो कहते हैं हमारे ड्रामों में हर वक्त ऐसा होता है। नहीं, नुमेर को देखो, नुमेर देखो कैसे लिखा हुआ है। वो एक ऐसा लड़का है जिसको, हाँ, एक लड़की थोड़ी अच्छी लगी, क्यूट सी लगी, लेकिन उसको ये नहीं था कि मैंने यही शादी करनी है, शादी तो मेरी इसी लड़की से होगी, चाहे ये जो मर्जी कर ले। उसके पास, और जिंदगी में ना हमेशा आपके पास एक क्रॉस रोड आता है, आपके पास एक मॉरल क्वांडरी आती है, टू डू द राइट थिंग और द रॉन्ग थिंग। और एक मर्द के पास अनफॉर्चुनेटली दुनिया में इतनी पावर होती है कि वो इस सिचुएशन में बहुत आसानी से बहुत बुरा डिसीजन ले सकता है, जो कि सिर्फ उसको नहीं इम्पैक्ट करेगा, उसके इमीडिएट वाले बंदे को नहीं इम्पैक्ट करेगा, एक पूरी नस्ल को इम्पैक्ट करता है, क्योंकि खुदा ने, माशरे ने उसको बहुत ताकत दी हुई है to use that power, to use that authority and that strength for good. Look how he stands up to his family after that. ये मेरे साथ आई है, मैं इसे घर लेकर आया हूँ।
पंजाबी में कहते हैं सबकी इज्जत उसने समेट ली,
हम्म।
सारे दी इज्जत उन्हें रख ली, राइट?
हाँ, ठीक है ना। तो ये देखें कि कितना अच्छा उसको लिखा है। और मैं कहती हूँ ये देखो कि आपने एक सिचुएशन भी क्रिएट की जो सबके लिए रिवेटिंग थी, आपने ऑडियंस को भी कैप्टिवेट कर लिया। चपेड़े कराना और सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट दिखाने में ही नहीं रेटिंग आती, ठीक है ना। देख लें, 12-12 मिलियन पे बैठी हुई है जफा की एपिसोड्स, और 9-9, 10-10 की रेटिंग लेकर आ रही है। तो ये मिथ जो ब्रेक किया ना जफा ने, आई मीन हैट्स ऑफ टू the person who approved the script, the person who wrote the script, and the person who's executing it. There is nothing that can जिसे आप कहते हैं ना कि आपने एक बुरा हीरो दिखा के ही नहीं स्टोरी बेचनी होती।
राइट, उनके नाम तो लेना, समीरा फजल, और डायरेक्टर हमारे
बिल्कुल दानिश नवाज जी। दानिश मैंने पर्सनली मैसेज किया, मैंने कहा दानिश भाई मुझे ये काम बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका। मैंने उस्मान को बताया, मावरा से तो मेरी बात हुई है, और मैंने सबको टैग कर करके जिसको मैं कर सकती थी मैंने अपनी तरफ से, एंड यू नो दिस इज व्हाई एंड वेयर वी सेलिब्रेट the good stories, the good dramas with good messaging. This is the hero you want to see. You can, and I'm not saying don't show anti-heroes, and I'm not saying कि दिखाओ ही मत ऐसे मर्द, दिखाओ उनका उनका ग्रे एरिया भी होना है कैरेक्टर का, वो भी दिखाओ कि नहीं यार वो हमेशा, जैसे फिरोज खान का जो किरदार था हब्स के अंदर, ठीक है, वो बहुत अच्छा लिखा हुआ था। वो इसलिए लिखा था कि वो उसकी फैमिली लाइफ देखो कितनी हॉरिबल है जो वो ये हरकत कर रहा है, या जो वो किस तरह एक्ट आउट करता है। तो अगर हम इस तरह,
I was on Feroz Khan side. मुझे तो वो लड़की नहीं पसंद थी, आयशा. She was terrible. Advantage taker. अच्छा,
नहीं, I mean, I understood the character. I understood Firoz's character, but I obviously couldn't get behind him 100%. But yeah,
ethical. I understood him. I respected him. I admired that character, not Feroz, the character, right? But मुझे आयशा, she was not principled or decent. आप अभी किसी घर में एंटर हुए हैं जी, अपने कपड़े उतार के तो बहन को दे दिए, right? I mean, what kind of morals or ethics is this? Did you buy
होती हैं सदाफ, ऐसी अच्छी लड़कियां भी होती हैं, मैंने देखा है, मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से होती हैं। जब आपके पास गुर्बत होती है ना सदाफ, तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है मॉरल्स को संभाल के रखना। बट ऑन इन जफा यू सी दैट, यू सी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट गुर्बत, बट यू सी मुहिब्स कैरेक्टर, एंड यू आर simultaneously seeing two men set up in the same environment. They're both privileged, they both come from families which have afforded them everything.
Good point.
You see both of them not necessarily उनकी कोई बहुत हॉरिबल, ये नहीं कि वो कोई है जैसे हम दिखाते हैं ना कि वो गांव देहात का है तो वो पागल है, या वो शहर का है पागल स्पॉइल्ड लड़का तो वो पागल। गुड फैमिलीज, लाइक नॉर्मल फैमिलीज, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि वो मुहिब को दिखा रहे हैं कि वो सिगरेट पीता रहता है, शीशा पीता रहता है, कहीं डार्क डिस्को लाइट में डिक चिक में कहीं क्लब में बैठा हुआ है। नॉर्मल पर्सन जो दूर से ऑन पेपर अच्छा लग रहा है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ नुमैर है जो कि एक इतनी वियर्ड सी सिचुएशन में पड़ गया है। It's about who you are. Yes, it's about your family. Yes, it's about everybody else around you. But it's also so much to do with who you are as an individual.
I really like that point. And this is why I love talking to you, Bhavish. Right? We pick up on each other. That is a beautiful thing. I had totally missed that. Sameera Fazal has done this for her. Once again, thank you, Sameera.
Thank
She
you,
has
Sameera.
told you either you can be Numair, जो
Yes.
समेट रहा है सिचुएशन को, सबकी इज्जत उसने संभाल ली है, even at a cost to him. He could say कि you guys did this to me, what about me? और मर्द को इसीलिए अल्लाह ने ज्यादा इज्जत दी है. And normally we see women doing this. And then we have Numair के not Numair, sorry, उसका नाम क्या है?
Hassan.
Hassan is just, वो नहीं होते, one sandwich short of a picnic. वो बार बार डांट रहा है, सबर कर रहा है. He's not a bad guy.
It's very difficult for him to like keep it down, that monster. Yeah.
He is not, वो नहीं होता जो one step beyond जाते हैं कि वो अपने घर को बसाने के लिए, या intimacy नहीं है कि अपनी बीवी के साथ create करने के लिए. She's not doing it either, by the way. वो जो she's
but
very
she's a good, yeah, she's a normal wife. Like she's not the most, oh my God, मेरे साथ बैठ के बातें करें, मैं आपके साथ बैठ के पिकनिक बनाऊंगी. But she's a good wife, यार, and she doesn't know what's about to happen to her. I have my sympathies with her.
Problem ना, she's a good wife, but she's not becoming a lover. वो होता है ना कि जो intimacy, I'm not talking about physical things. I'm talking about mental and spiritual.
She takes him out, but I disagree. She took him out for this romantic date. उसका क्या? आपने मिस कर दी उस बेचारी की डेट. इतनी अच्छी डेट पे लेके गई थी उसको अपने मियाँ को.
I think she's a little too clinical, right? But I think kudos to Mara जबरदस्त acting.
बहुत अच्छा प्ले कर रही है और कितनी प्यारी लग रही है.
Yeah. Oh God, जो कपड़े उसने पहने थे, beautiful. But she's fantastic too, and I think it's a great parallel. I love that you pointed it out. That is an excellent parallel.
Yeah, and I think that is how the story conjoins itself. Now, that's the tie. That's the tie of the story.
So Jaffa, I think we've discussed.
Yes, you know what? कभी हम शुरू करते हैं सदा हम जेंटलमैन पे शुरू करते हैं तो दिल चाहता है जेंटलमैन पे बात करते रहें, लेकिन जेंटलमैन पे बात कर लेते हैं, फिर जर्द पत्तों का बन भी है, फिर रद्द भी, हम सबके लिए वक्त निकालना है. मैं टाइमर लगा लेती हूँ कि हम अच्छा अब हम बात करने लगे हैं जी जेंटलमैन के ऊपर. जेंटलमैन सदफ मैं बताती हूँ कि मुझे कैसा लगा, फिर आप मुझे बताइएगा कि आपको कैसा लगा. जेंटलमैन में जो मेरी फेवरेट चीजें हैं और जो मैं देख के मुझे इतनी खुशी होती है कि यार क्या सुकून मिला है देख के, वो मुझे ये लगता है कि जो एलिगरीज हैं दिखाते हैं जो हमारी सोसाइटी में जो रियलिटीज हैं, कि जैसे हमने फॉर एग्जांपल देखा रहमती जो है वो बैठ के पुलिस स्टेशन में चाय पी रहा है और पता नहीं बिस्किट और चाय और ऐसे करके पी रहा है. मतलब इमेजिन करें, और ये होता है, ये कोई बहुत आउट देयर सीन नहीं है, ये होता है. गुंडों की गठजोड़ होता है पुलिस के साथ, डाकुओं के साथ. हमारे मुल्क में अनफॉर्चुनेटली पॉलिटिशियंस जो हैं वो डोरें खींच रहे होते हैं हर किसी की अपनी बड़ी बिसात में जो उन्होंने बिछाई हुई होती है उसमें उन सबको वो प्यादे की तरह इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जो ये गुंडे होते हैं, स्ट्रीट वाले जो क्राइम्स होते हैं, जितने भी करने वाले पेटी क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं और फिर ये पुलिस वाले, ये सब इनके ना आले बन जाते हैं. दे ऑल बिकम लाइक काइंड ऑफ tools to their I don't know, their very evil plans. So I thought that finally it came to that point, and I thought that was amazing. And I also love the fact that खालिद अनम का जो कैरेक्टर है, उनकी जो जरनाब के बाप का कैरेक्टर है, वो एक्चुअली उसको कहता है फारिस को. और फारिस की और जरनाब की जो मोमेंट्स हैं वो मुझे इसलिए इतने इंटरेस्टिंग लगे क्योंकि वो उसको कहती है कि ठीक है तुम डेट कर लेना लेकिन घर नहीं लाना किसी को. और ये एक इतनी डिफिकल्ट चीज है टू लिव विद, दैट यू नो दैट यू गोना बी विद दिस पर्सन एंड देन दिस पर्सन has no loyalty towards you. It's just a very practical sort of match. And then obviously the way that she loves Iqbal Munna, and she's also slowly beginning to realize her feelings, and she's kind of like coming into this truth of hers, okay, I think I feel way more for this man that I should. And Iqbal Munna coming back to life, Dilbar coming back to life. आई एम टेलिंग यू, दिलबर कुछ करेगा, कोई बड़ा हैंड करेगा इकबाल मुन्ना के साथ, ये आप मुझसे लिखवा लें, ये होगा. दैट्स माय टेक ऑन जेंटलमैन, एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू Haisam and the production team and all the cast and crew for creating such a riveting show.
I'm going to say first off before I forget, normally I'm complaining about Yumna's styling, badi pyari lag rahi hai. Last 4 episodes, she is looking so pretty, and I love that iron blue suit. And if I can find out, that is one of my favorite styles.
I think that's her consistent style in all the episodes. She's wearing one-toned clothes a lot, which again is a
Yeah.
reflection of her personality as Zardab.
Yeah, but that kind of teal is my deal, so I liked it.
Okay.
Moving on to that, I haven't seen. I think I've only there's a little I haven't seen, but what I have seen, I mean, I've really enjoyed, and I think though, I think we all know these things, right? मशहूर है बातें के, you know, but the point of this whole story from Khalil Saab is that what you think ये सब गुंडे जो हैं are controlled by higher ups. The real gentlemen higher up, वो जो पढ़े लिखे लोग दफ्तरों में बैठे हैं, politicians, and I think that's the whole point of gentlemen. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, एकदम वो रहमती को जेल में डाल रहे हैं, फिर उसको निकाल रहे हैं, एकदम इतनी प्रोटेक्शन क्यों हो रही है इकबाल मेमन?
Because they want to, because he's coming, Rahmati is kind of fighting his own battle. They don't like people who can fight their own battles on their turf. Eventually, it's their turf. That's what they want to dethrone. I think that's a conversation. What a brilliant actor is Tanveer Hussain Saab, and we see that actor from Jo Bichhad Gaye. I love that actor, Usman Dar. I think Dar Riaz.
नहीं, it's not Usman Dar. मैं उनका नाम भूल गई हूँ. वही फैक्ट्री ओनर जो होता है, remember वो फैक्ट्री में एहतजाज करता है from जो बिछड़ के, that guy ना.
No, that's Fahad Hashmi. That's Fahad Hashmi. I'm talking about the guy with the curly hair, and he's sitting with Tanveer Hussain Saab, and he's sitting, and he's also one of the politicians, one of the big politicians, and his name is Usman something, Usman Zia, I think, and he is so good. He is brilliant, and again, you know, Haitham, I love that he picks up on those brilliant guys, and then he makes sure that the world sees more of them, and I think that's such a wonderful way to work, because you can spot talent from a mile away. Fahad Hashmi was also seen in Jo Bichhad Gaye. So all of these people who he knew were good and who registered with the audience are now back in Gentleman. So I think that's great.
Aisha, as usual with any Haitham project, there is no weak link, right?
Yeah.
Dialogue bolna and it's all good.
But that's the thing. See, that's the magic. That's the impact of a good director. And I feel like, oh, we had to talk about Barzakh too, by the way. Barzakh ke andar, the opening scene, and it's a very powerful scene with the mangoes and all of that. And the girls' dialogues made me want to like melt my face off. I'm like, यार तू उर्दू बोल रही है, तू सही बोल. और खुशहाल कितना अच्छा बोलते हैं, कितना अच्छी एक्टिंग करते हैं वो. और उस दूसरी लड़की से ना एक्टिंग हो रही है, ना उसे डायलॉग बोला जा रहा है. तो भाई क्यों करते हो ये? अब अपने प्रोडक्ट के साथ ये क्यों करते हो? मत करो ये. जितनी मर्जी आपकी पुप्पी की बेटी हो, मत लिया करो ऐसे लोगों को इतने इंपॉर्टेंट सीन के लिए. Anyway.
Back, last thing about Gentleman, I don't know if anybody noticed, or maybe it was me, जो mugshot रहमती की है, it was definitely Donald Trump का take. वो notice नहीं किया कैसे रहमती अपनी आंखें करता है नीचे.
So good, यार.
Mugshot hai. I just felt like Adnan Siddiqui was channeling Trump.
It's a bit of an Easter egg, yeah. Could be. Okay, so moving on to Sadaf, what do you like about Rad? Let's talk about Rad, because I also want to talk a little bit about Barzakh and a little bit about Zat Patto Ka Ban. So tell me about Rad.
I was kind of waiting. I know everybody and their mother has given a take on Barzakh, right? But I really 3 episodes. It's one of those dramas that needs unfolding. वो जैसे puzzle नहीं था, और हम लोग एकदम वो puzzle के pieces देख के तो कह रहे हैं, अच्छा ये नहीं वो नहीं. And I understand the need to do that, but I'm going to take it a little slow with Barzakh. But let me quickly touch on Rad. Achha, the thing with Rad is there's very little to criticize. That's why we discuss it. Right? It just, somebody, Sanam Mehdi, has worked out the plot so well. Everything fits together, right? Like so easily. Each character arc is perfectly developed, and each character matures. I mean, one of the best things I remember, the best scene was, instead of showing kya uska naam hai, Shahriyar Munawwar's character Salar, right? He comes into his own, he takes the reins of his business, etc. Now, ekdam wo Superman nahi maan jata. वो अपने जो वकील and all these people, they want to know, वो पहले तो आपको कोई interest नहीं था, but he goes, देखो, he explains it in such simple quiet way कि अब मैं करूंगा तब कुछ और था, etc., right? And that shows good writing. एकदम वो सुपरमैन नहीं बना, एकदम वो जीनियस नहीं है. I was fully expecting him to turn into some kind of dark villain, क्योंकि I'm so used to that in Turkish dramas and Indian soap operas, right? कि पहले वो भोला होता है, एकदम सूट पहन के वो डार्क विलन बन जाता है और लोगों की कंपनीज को टेक.
हाँ, बॉलीवुड में भी होता है ये. हाँ.
Yeah, but he doesn't become that. And I think that there's a lot of chemistry between Hiba. I think Hiba Bukhari does not get her due because she's done a lot of these very popular roles. But over the last 2 years, I'm kind of impressed with her. I think she deserves praise. And her dramas are always hits. I mean, she's the TRP queen, right?
She and
Which,
Durrafishan. Man, वो जिस चीज को हाथ लगाती है सोना बन जाता है. कमाल है.
that's something.
TV queens.
Also, I mean, I remember watching her in Bholi Banu. She's good in that. And then she was in Ye Silsile, another drama, whatever. But I mean, I kind of like, I've seen a gradual improvement in her acting. And I want to give her, okay, well done. Good job. And like, she's up there now. She's not just TRP queen. She's up there with the acting now. Right?
Okay.
The only person I'm going to say is, look, I feel bad saying this because I'm actually an Arsalan Nasir fan. I know people don't think so, but yes, I used to love his YouTube. नहीं, उसका जो वो Facebook के ऊपर करता था ना, skits and comedy, right?
हाँ, वो तो मुझे भी अच्छे लगते थे कुछ.
Oh, I loved them. I loved his sarcastic takes. I think he did one recently.
And you like him as an actor?
No. And that's the thing. I don't. Right? He was fine in the beginning of this because he was like playing himself, a pleasant person with a sense of humor. Kisi ka beta, kisi ka baap, right? As soon as the drama got serious, he was like, what was this? He was literally ruining the scenes for Hiba and Shahryar. But I'm going to say Radh is going to be a classic Pakistani drama. It has so little wrong with it. The only thing right now, I think for my taste, it's slowing down a little. And I think one of the things I've always said, and I think you and me have discussed this, is winding up a drama, reeling all the loose ends in is sometimes a little difficult. So let's see what Mehdi has for us. I think for a lot of our, raita, to quote fairy tale, jo raita phailaya hai, usko sametna kaise hai, right? So I'm awe of writers. I could never do it. I mean, honestly, I'm in awe of our writers.
As a writer, I feel like the best time, one of the things that one of my co-writers also says, and something that I practice frequently, is that I preempt these points. And unless you're writing for TV, which is heavily dictated, unless you're creating something of your own, on your own, and for your own, okay, as a writer, this is what I'm creating. It's very easy to dictate those plot points and know, okay, at the end of it, like this is how I work. It's different for different writers. But at the end of it, if I see, okay, end में ये चीज आएगी, तो फिर मैं उसकी तरफ roads लेके जाना शुरू कर देती हूँ, शुरू से ही. लेकिन कभी कभी ये होता है, and I think that this is why a lot of TV writers don't eventually become that successful, is that they are told that we don't want this. And sometimes the reason why that happens is that sometimes the script is not completed when it is delivered to a channel. And the script is only done for like 10 episodes, 15 episodes. The audiences are having probably even seen 3-4 episodes, and they have liked a certain character. And then the channel goes to the writer and says, okay, you know what, can you increase this character's, presence? Or can you decrease this presence? People don't like that. Oh, and people are really feeling this. Can you amp this up? That's not how a story works, man. I mean, yes, audience can like something, and that doesn't mean that whatever the writer has created in their brain is going to translate into what the audience is liking, So sometimes I think that is a trap for writing for TV.
Simple metaphor, देखो जो dish भी आप बनाते हैं जैसे पुलाव है, right? I'm not talking about biryani. I'm not going there, right? But पुलाव जो अवधी पुलाव होता है, the traditional, right? It has a balance of flavors, right?
Yeah.
मुझे ज्यादा नमक चाहिए, मुझे फलां चीज चाहिए, वो बात ही नहीं रहती, right? Any dish. Right? Maybe I'm a housewife, that's why I'm talking that way. But
no, it makes sense. A lot of cooking is like writing. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, even a painting, right? I can just imagine, Michelangelo with the Sistine Chapel. Nahi, yahan thoda sa aur neela kar de. Nahi, peela thoda aur.
But that is why creating art is very lonely, na? बट
या
बड़ा लोनली प्रोसेस होता है ये, मैं तो इस पे बहुत यकीन करती हूँ। फुलफिलिंग होता है लेकिन लेकिन लोनली होता है, बिकॉज आपको कभी कभी बहुत सारे लोगों की वॉइसेस एलियनेट करनी पड़ती हैं अपने प्रोसेस से। कभी कभी लोग आपको कहते हैं कि ये करो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो। तो आई थिंक अमजद इस्लाम अमजद की नज्म है कि जो भी लोग कहें उसे सुनना नहीं, उसे मानना नहीं, कुछ ऐसे करके उनकी नज्म बड़ी खूबसूरत है, और वो मैं उसको बहुत फॉलो करती हूँ कि और मेरे पास आए थे इस तरह की चीजें, इसलिए मुझे फिल्म लिखना ज्यादा आसान लगता है और मजा आता है ज्यादा फिल्म लिखने में। क्योंकि ड्रामे या सीरीज का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है कि कोई ना कोई आ जाता है आपके सर पे बैठने के लिए, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक दे गोना डू द वर्क, यू आर गोना डू द वर्क, दे जस्ट गोना टेल यू हाउ टू डू, and that's very very limiting, and that's why so many of my scripts have been rejected, and so many of the scripts I've said that I can't, I've been given things कि अच्छा आप ऐसे लिखें, and I'd be like I can't, I just stare at the screen and I have not been able to do it.
I think if we go back to Stand Up Girl,
Hmm.
I love the way Johri, I love the name Johri, हीरे को Johri पहचानता है ना,
तराशने वाला
right?
जौहरी।
The way,
हम्म।
yeah. And in the way he nurtures his creatives, right?
हम्म।
That's
हम्म।
our real relationship between a
It was
producer
very real, yes.
and a creative should be, right?
Hmm.
Nurturing, helping, थोड़ा सा
Hmm.
इधर थोड़ा किया उधर से कुछ, and that's how it is. And understanding the difficulties, because creative people are very moody.
And well, volatile. It's a volatile thing to be a creative person.
That's true.
Yeah. So let's talk about Zarf Patton Ka Ban. What is your take on it with Hamza Sohail and Sajjal? And I'm having
I
a
actually
debate on Afia Vlogs page about it, and I have my issues with it, and I'll talk about it. आप बताइए।
क्या पता आफिया ने क्या कहा है,
भाई
what went on there.
आफिया के पेज पे आपको पता है ना, बड़े ही, और आई लव दिस, लाइक एंथुजियास्टिक एंथो कटलेट ड्रामा फैंस होते हैं
I
हमारे।
love Afia's page. I love her
I love
takes.
Afia's page, and I especially love leaving like comments. Whenever I leave comments, like अगले 6 महीने का काम हो गया। तो और मैं इसलिए, मैं कभी, मुझे कमेंट्स पढ़ के भी मजा आता है उसके पेज के ऊपर, और मैं कभी देखती भी हूँ कि यार इसके पेज पे क्या चल रहा है। तो बिकॉज उससे थोड़ा पल्स का भी पता चलता है कि क्या ऑडियंस इस वक्त क्या क्या देखना चाह रही है, और वो उसकी खुद भी जबान जो है, जबान खल्क जैसी है, जिसे कहते हैं ना कि जबान खल्क को नकारा है खुदा समझो। तो वो एक बड़े अच्छे से, बड़े स्पीक इजी तरीके से वो बात करती है, तो वो आपको वाकई पता चलता है कि हाँ यार ये चीज आवाम को नहीं समझ में आई होगी और ये चीज समझ में आ गई होगी। तो उसने जर्द पत्तों का बन के बारे में बात की थी कि बड़ा अच्छा शो है, उसको बहुत पसंद आया उसकी रिसेंट एपिसोड, और मैंने कमेंट में उसको ये लिखा कि मुझे थोड़ा सा इशू था डायलॉग से, और द वे दैट द स्क्रिप्ट वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड मुझे थोड़ा सा मसला हुआ। शुरू हो गए भाई मेरे कमेंट के नीचे लोग, आप तो जेंटलमैन की पेड प्रमोशन करती हैं, आपको क्या पता कितना अच्छा ड्रामा है।
I am really
कोई तो दे
waiting
दो
for that
पैसे,
second.
मुझे तो कहीं से नहीं मिल रहे पैसे भाई, कहीं से नहीं मिल रहे, राइटिंग बेचने के चक्कर में पड़ी हुई हूँ, कहीं से नहीं मिल रहे पैसे। ना यमुना के फैन से मिल रहे हैं, ना यमुना के हेटर से मिल रहे हैं, ना सजल से मिल रहे हैं, ना हुमायूं से मिल रहे हैं, किसी अली जफर से भी नहीं मिले, किसी से भी नहीं मिल रहे। तो मैं कह रही हूँ कि देखिए,
लिफाफे बाहर ही रह गए.
पता नहीं इन लोगों के दिमाग में है ये लिफाफे, हम लोग के पास नहीं पहुंचे कहीं भी से भी। तो मुझे लगता है, जैसे मेरा टेक तो जट पतों का बन पे यही है कि मुझे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट, डेफिनेटली नॉट वन ऑफ मुस्तफा अफरीदीज बेस्ट वर्क्स, एंड आई फील सो सैड बिकॉज ही इज अ गुड राइटर, and I think his best work is Sange Marmar. And I also feel like it's not fair to Sajal's breadth of
नहीं,
talent to
अहदे
Aide
वफा
Wafa.
एंड
Yes, Aide Wafa is really good. It's a close second to me, but top is Sange Marmar. And I feel like with Sajal, सजल का ये है कि एक तो शी सो ब्यूटीफुल, माशाल्लाह, गॉड ब्लेस हर, इतनी वो खूबसूरत है। तो वो जब भी
यस
और इतनी वो बेसिक, उसने एक हल्का सा काजल और वही लाइनर शाइनर जो भी होता है बेसिक सा लगाया हुआ है, जिसमें वो डॉक्टर बुफेल से, नौफिल से वो अपॉलोजी कर रही है।
which is why I get annoyed जब वो ज्यादा करती है, because she is one
हाँ,
of those
I don't
creative.
like that well done version of her. I love her very simple, सादा यकी का सफर style.
Beauty, she doesn't need anything
She
basically.
doesn't need
That's what.
anything. She doesn't need any of those frills and things that other maybe heroines might need. So वो जो सीन है जिसमें वो यूं नजर उठा के देखती है, शी इज ब्रेथ टेकिंग, अरे भाई इतनी हसीन वो लड़की। अच्छा, और दूसरा ये है कि उसके अंदर, जैसे मैंने जो कमेंट भी उसको लिखा आफिया को, कि मुझे लगता है सजल और हमजा भी इसमें ही इज रियली गुड। बहुत सारे एक्टर्स ऐसे होते हैं सदफ, उनको डायलॉग की ओवर, जब उनको मिलता है ना ऐसा डायलॉग कि क्योंकि मैं तुमसे नाराज थी इसलिए मैं ये बात कह रही हूँ, वो ओवर किल हो जाता है, वो उनके कैरेक्टर की ग्राविटास को कम कर देता है। मुझे लगता है कुछ एक्टर्स को, और आपको पता है होता है अगर कि आपके कुछ एक्टर्स ऐसे कर रहे हैं, तो आप खुद ही थोड़ा सा ट्वीकिंग ट्वीकिंग कर लें, या आई डोंट नो, हो सकता है उनको ये मौका ना मिला हो। लेकिन इतनी कोई वो अच्छा सीन था, उसमें बहुत पोटेंशियल था उस सीन में, जब वो आके उससे माफी मांगती है, इतना डायलॉग, इतना बैक एंड फोर्थ, इट बिकेम रेपिटेटिव. सिमिलरली वो 6 दफा गांव छोड़ के जाके वापस आ चुका है, 10 दफा उसको शर्म दिलाई जा चुकी है, और ये उससे एक्सपेक्टेशन क्यों रखी गई है? एंड आई एम स्ट्रिक्टली टॉकिंग अबाउट द राइटिंग. एक डॉक्टर से ये एक्सपेक्टेशन क्यों है कि वो पूरा सिस्टम ठीक करेगा? उस पूरे जिले में वो नहीं है भाई. वो लोग मीलों मीलों चल के तो स्कूल जाते हैं, कॉलेज जाते हैं, तो कहाँ से उसके पास ये ताकत आएगी कि वो वहां पे रुक के सबको बचाएगा? नहीं हो सकता. और ये आई अंडरस्टैंड कि वो यही चीज शायद दिखाना चाह रहे हैं मीनू की फ्रस्ट्रेशन में और सारा कुछ. लेकिन आई स्टिल फील कि वो ट्रैक जिस तरह वो लेके जा रहे हैं ना, कि एट सम लेवल ही फील्स गिल्टी ऑल्सो कि मैं छोड़ के चला गया और ये मेरी वजह से हुआ. No, no, there are bigger problems in situations like these, and which I feel like it's too, I think it's too myopic. That would be
I
my.
think Meenu, yeah, I think most of Afridi's point is that Meenu thinks that way. कि वो बस एक
I get
डॉक्टर आ
it.
जाए सारा, वो ये नहीं सोची कि उस डॉक्टर ने कमाना कहाँ से है. उसको
Hmm.
मलिक नादर जो है थ्रेटन कर रहा है, लिटरली उसकी मोटरबाइक को जला देता है. उसकी
Yeah.
अपनी जिंदगी एक प्लेस होती है, यू हैव टू मेक अ प्लेस इन दिस थिंग, यू नीड द टूल्स. और
Hmm.
ही हैज अ फैमिली, राइट?
Hmm. Hmm.
तुम्हारा डॉक्टर आ गया, किसी ने उसको आग लगा दी, किसी ने उसको मार दिया, तो सो व्हाट. आई
हाँ.
थिंक
Hmm.
इन द ओल्ड डेज पीपल यूज्ड टू डू अ लॉट बेटर. अब मुझे थोड़ा सा पुराना पीटीवी का ड्रामा याद आ रहा. आई कांट रिमेम्बर द नेम, बट दिस यंग गाय, ही इज पोस्टेड टू अ विलेज टीचिंग जॉब के लिए. उसके
Hmm.
लोअर क्लास फैमिली फ्रॉम
Do
कराची.
you remember
तो देख
the Do you remember the actors?
है उनके, अब वो सीनियर रोल्स करते हैं, उनकी शक्लें
Okay.
सामने. बट वन थिंग आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर इज ही इज पोस्टेड टू ही लिव्स इन अ हाउस. द
Hmm.
वुमन इज हैज 3 चिल्ड्रन, शी इज अ विडो. और
Hmm.
बड़ी खूबसूरत विडो होती है. आई मीन, कैन यू इमेजिन अ विडो विद 3 चिल्ड्रन एंड शी
Hmm.
कैरीज अ गन. इन-लॉज आर
Hmm.
आफ्टर हर लाइफ, राइट? उसको
Wow.
जलनी या समथिंग लाइक दैट कोई उसका नाम. बट आई मीन दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ स्टोरीज. एंड
What's the
he
name?
is, I still can't remember it, right? But it was brilliant show,
Okay.
and it showed he was posted there and the difficulties he's had. वो कोई हीरो के माफिक आके सब कुछ ठीक नहीं करने आता, वो नौकरी
Hmm.
करने आता, right? कि
Hmm.
2 साल लगेंगे, 2 साल I'll go over there. And he realizes the problems of the area, etc. I think nowadays we've been a little, I don't want to blame Bollywood, but I mean, that's what our public likes, right?
Hmm.
But in those days, I think there was a lot more depth. I wish when I
Hmm.
remember it. But anyway, so I also made this point on Twitter. What is Nino expecting? Right?
Hmm.
कि जो 100 सालों से
नहीं, बट वो क्वेश्चन तो हमने
रवायात
आंसर किया ना, कि वो तो उसका वो
नहीं.
नहीं, वो क्वेश्चन तो हम आंसर कर रहे हैं ना, कि वो तो उसने खुद भी कहा कि नहीं, मुझे आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं रखनी चाहिए थी. बट मुझे आप ये बताएं सदफ, कि जट पत्तों का बन में आपका इशू विद प्लॉट या डायलॉग कुछ है? मतलब ये तो चले हमने कैरेक्टर के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात कर ली कि व्हाट इज मीनू एक्सपेक्टिंग या व्हाट इज नोफिल थिंकिंग, वी गेट दैट. एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट the writer has made you aware of what their expectations and pressures and questions are. We know, okay. But then what is it that is not, I feel like some of it is just not gelling together as well as it should have.
Why? I can tell you
Why?
why, in my opinion at least. And this is happen every time that we get a Kash Foundation, apart from Dil Na Umeed. That I think because it was Amna Mufti and nobody can touch her. But what happens is, instead of telling the story that they want to, they tell the story that they should, right? Or maybe it's the other way around. Because what happens is, Dekho, you are talking about, I think the main issue is lack of healthcare, birth space, your contraception and family planning, right? Where is the planning in all of this?
Child
Where
labor
is it?
also. There's in the recent episode, there's child labor also.
Right? And then, I don't know, maybe we are in elite class, right? हम अपने इसी वाले कमरों में बैठे हुए हैं. I'm in diaspora, you're in diaspora. Maybe, हमें कुछ deeper चाहिए. लेकिन maybe this is, and I'll give them that. Maybe this is what appeals to the masses, and the masses are enjoying it and they're getting the message. But I'm not getting the message. You see, first of all, instead of looking down on people, and I keep saying this, right? Ask them why they have so many children. There's a reason they have so many children, क्योंकि
Yeah,
कुछ
that's a really good point. That's a
पेंशन,
really good point.
राइट, कुछ बच्चों ने मार जाना है, पेंशन प्लान किसी का नहीं, वो तो ताना दे के चला जाता है ना, तुमने इतने बच्चे इसलिए पैदा किए हैं ताकि वो तुम्हारे लिए कमाए, एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी हैज, किसने उसके बुढ़ापे का सहारा किसने बनना है, सड़क पे
Hmm.
मार जाए, कान नहीं है, राइट?
No, but I
सो
think that you've raised such a good point, Sadaf.
these things are not pointed out कि वो गरीब लोगों
Hmm.
का बुढ़ापे का वो 3-4 जने कमाएंगे, बट आई लाइक द वे ही सेड, नौफल ने पॉइंट बनाया कि तुम और तुम्हारे मियाँ नहीं कमा सकते, राइट? व्हाई इज
Hmm.
इट कि 9 साल बच्ची, क्योंकि आई सी इट ऑल द टाइम इन पाकिस्तान, राइट? सो
Yeah.
ही good point. I'm not saying it's all wrong, but I
No,
think
no,
the
no.
focus.
There's so much in the show that is spot on, that's beautiful. I love the way that she, especially her whole journey about commuting to the college and then being alienated because of who she is and what she is, and her gaon ki issues catching up to her and being bullied and all of that. So that was such a great angle. There's so many great things. I mean, if I have to count off, I can count off so many great things: the performances, the authenticity.
And main point is missing, which is about contraception and birth spacing. मौलवियों को blame देना is very easy. Zial Haq died years ago. अब वो चला गया,
Hmm.
अब कुछ हम
Hmm.
खुद को भी
नहीं,
आईना
लेकिन सदफ,
देखना चाहिए.
आप जो कह रही है ना, उसमें मुझे आप एक बात बताएं, मैं सवाल कर रही हूँ आपसे क्योंकि आपने पॉइंट
हम्म,
बड़ा अच्छा रेस किया है, तो मैं ये सवाल आपसे करना चाहती हूँ और मैं खुद भी इसका जवाब स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ ढूंढने में अपने दिमाग में कि आपने कहा कि वो मुझे ये पता करना है कि या डोंट लुक डाउन एट देम, एंड यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट बिकॉज यू वांट द राइटर टू टेल देयर स्टोरी सो दैट द वर्ल्ड अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट ओके दिस इज व्हाई द सिचुएशन इज लाइक दिस। ठीक है, मैं जैसे आपने मलिक नादर का कुछ संभाव देखा और ये कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर किया है उसने कि मलिक नादर जैसे लोग होते हैं जो नहीं पनपने देते सोसाइटीज को, कम्युनिटीज को, वी गेट दैट। आप ये कह रही हैं कि हमें थोड़ा इस पे मजीद कॉन्वर्जेशन होनी चाहिए थी कि बच्चे क्यों वो पैदा कर रहे हैं, मर्दों के पास इतनी पावर कहाँ से आई है, क्यों उस लड़की को पढ़ने नहीं देते, वगैरह वगैरह। अगर हम ये कह रहे हैं तो शायद हम ये कह रहे हैं कि ये ड्रामा हम जैसों के लिए नहीं बना है, ये ड्रामा उस ऑडियंस उस डेमोग्राफिक के लिए बना है जो रात के 8 बजे उनके पास कुछ और होता नहीं है, खेत वेत भी सब बंद हो जाते हैं, दुकानें 7 बजे बंद। अगर आपने कभी कोई रूरल एरिया में आपने ट्रैवल किया हो तो आपने देखा होगा कि 7-8 बजे जब अंधेरा होता है, जैसे कहते हैं ना मगरिब हो गई, अंधेरा हो गया, तो कोई एक टिमटिमाती हुई लालटेन कहीं जली होगी, बाकी सब अपने डेरों में जाके अपने अपने घरों में जाके बंद हो जाते हैं। एक ले दे के टीवी चलता है, टीवी चैनल पे जो आ जाता है रात के 8 बजे वो लोग सब देख लेते हैं। Which is why I keep saying that, and it's something that Ehsan Khan once said to me, that Pakistan is a TV nation. तो टीवी नेशन को अगर एजुकेट करना है उस डेमोग्राफिक को जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ, जिसमें जो एक्चुअली लेट्स से मीनू की फैमिली है, तो इफ जर्द पत्तों का बन इज टॉकिंग टू अ मीनू डेमोग्राफिक, do you think that it's making an impact, or do you think that maybe even they might not understand a lot of it?
I can't presume to speak for that demographic.
Okay.
I'm all humility, right? I don't presume to speak जो लड़कियां मिडिल क्लास या लोअर मिडिल क्लास की हैं कि
True,
मैं
neither can
मी
I.
इंग्लैंड एंड अमेरिका, राइट? तो मैं
Yeah.
कहूंगी नहीं, वो समझ आ रही है उनको नहीं, दैट वुड बी वेरी एरोगेंट ऑफ मी, बट
Or presumptuous, yeah.
yeah, I am trying to give leeway to the writers. Maybe this is
Hmm.
how they think that they can communicate. But
Maybe.
I,
Yeah.
person, okay, I see this in. I loved Saji Gul's वो क्या था, वो जो बादशाह बेगम था, right? But
Hmm.
even in that, I noticed everything is top down, right?
Hmm.
It was top down. कि भाई जो
Hmm.
रिफॉर्म लाना है वो शहजादा साहब आएंगे और वो रिफॉर्म लाएंगे. It didn't work, did it?
Hmm.
Right?
No.
Same in a few other stories that I've seen. हमेशा टॉप डाउन होता है कि जो लीडर्स है ना वो कुछ करें. No, actually, you have to understand there was a very good serial on PTV. We tend to ignore PTV. वो भावलपुर में सेट था, and I've forgotten the name, of course. Of course, I've forgotten the name, ना. Early set, वो नहीं है memory loss, but
याद
it
बता
had
दीजिएगा,
Sonia
फिर जब याद
Hussain.
आए तो बता दीजिएगा, मैं कमेंट्स में डाल दूंगी.
Yeah. Sonia Hussain was in it, and Zahid Ahmed. They were brilliant. They always
Oh,
are.
yeah. Even I don't remember the name, but yes, I get which one you're talking about.
And it was like, it was a very good show. Lost its way a little bit in that kind of like, but it was a very good, and it was by the same writer who wrote the script for Jo Bichhad Gaye. Ali Moeen. right?
I mean,
So he actually wrote in a very traditional style, and they invested money in it. It was on TV1 and PTV. So
okay.
anyway, what that again, that was top down. जो lords and ladies हैं उस area के, they will sort everything out. No, ठीक है,
Joke
right? You
Sarkar
have,
also. Joke Sarkar, same story.
yeah, I wish that you'd realize that change comes from grassroots, and you have to respect those people. उनके उनके क्या ख्यालात है, क्या सोच है. And also, before we finish up on this Patak one, I am actually enjoying it. Finally, I thought something this week, last episode, I really enjoyed, because they showed that हाँ वो बेचारी, she has been brought up कि एकदम जाहिलों की तरह टूट पड़ना और गुस्से होना, etc. He's an urban guy. She's from the village,
But
and I
I didn't
love
like that dialogue. Do you know why? Because I feel like no गांव की लड़की talks like that. कि मैं गांव की हूँ ना, तो मैं तो जितनी जल्दी ऐसे करती हूँ तो मैं ऐसे भी कर लेती हूँ. इतनी इंसाइट किसी के पास नहीं होती. और वो बेचारी
I know.
यंग सी सिली सी लड़की
I,
है, उसके पास इतनी इंसाइट कहाँ से आएगी?
half my family from Sargodha, and half my family is like Lahore, Lahore, Lahore. And I can really tell the difference between them, right? Even though the Sargodhans have moved to
No,
Lahore
but do they
for
have insight about themselves that we are from
yeah,
Sargodha? That's why we are like this.
they do. They do. My father,
अच्छा.
sorry, my father is from Sargodha, and kabhi kabhi na, he's always impressed with shahar wali hai na, right? मैं तो पंडुट है, right? He's this
And
big
I
time
get that
star.
a lot. Like I remember when I got married,
Yeah,
and I was so my husband's from a small town in Punjab,
yeah.
and it was just like what 7 days into our marriage, 12 days or something, and his friends were just getting to know me, and I remember that I was traveling in a car from Lahore to Islamabad, and his friend was driving, and I was on the phone with my very urban Karachi friends, not even my desi apne jigar wale Karachi friends, my very urban Karachi friends who I had to say goodbye because I think we were leaving the next day. We were leaving Pakistan the next day. And I think I made about 4 or 5 calls. And by the end of all calls, and I told my husband, I was like, yeah, okay, I'm done with all my calls. And I've wished everyone goodbye. And then his friend, who's a, very rugged, pahadon mein rehne wala, he was literally Potohari. So he was this really rugged boy who's grown up, with all of the rugged boy grown up life that they've all lived. And he tells me, Bhavi, I know exactly the kind of person you are. But if he says this to me in like a very rough Punjabi. And I'm like, what do you mean? आप burger है, mummy daddy हैं आप. And I was like, what? How did you get that? Like, where is this coming from? He's like, I've been listening to your conversations and you just are so not, you are such a city person. And I'm like, really? Am I never it never occurred to me. Been born and brought up in Karachi. So for me, there's no frame of reference of being a non-city person. The only people I've met are all city people. So I was like, अच्छा तो ये भी होता है. ये भी एक bifurcation है हम human beings में कि एक city person है और एक non-city person है. So it was a very interesting experience at that
No,
time.
I tell you, the aunts on my father's side, जिन्होंने बचपन सरगोदा में गुजारा as zamindars, right? And the ones that have always been in Lahore, even those people have moved to Lahore, and the one,
Yeah.
I tell the difference,
And there's still
because
a difference.
straightforward, the aunts from with the village background, वो कोई चीज छुपाती नहीं है, and they get to it, whereas the Lahori ones are very careful about what they say and what they do. So also, before we finish up on Zad Paton Ka Ban, which I'm finally beginning to enjoy, right, is that oh, मेरे ज़हन से निकल गया. I want to warn people on this. We talk about contraception, family planning, and birth spacing. A lot of these birth planning and movements have their roots in eugenics movements. And I think that context is also important. While I'm also for women's health, right? How the health for women improves when you have family planning. उनकी ज़िंदगियां लंबी होती है, they don't die in childbirth, all that kind of thing. I think kudos to Mustafa Afridi, he got all of that. He did all of that, right? So, and again, you space out the children, माँ की health better होती है, etc. But there are some dark roots to these family planning things. They are in eugenics movements. And what I mean by a eugenic movement is, that kind of Malthusian thought about ज़्यादा लोग हो गए हैं. The earth cannot sustain this many people, right? And you what problems that is causing in Europe, because the population is slowly dwindling, whereas it's considered a plus point that Pakistan has
And
a
India,
large
yeah,
population.
the South Asia
So,
overall.
you know, there is a balance on these things where women's health
No, and
issues are
also
not
there are a lot of problematic theories which have taken root in our system. So anyway, that's a big Pandora's box we can open another time. Let's finish off with Barzakh. You liked it. You enjoyed it.
I know I'm more open-minded about it. I did enjoy it because look, it's Fawad Khan. Despite any criticism I have from him, and I know it's true for you. We are always fans. That's
Oh
you know,
yeah.
अपनों से गिला कर सकते हैं, गैरों से नहीं गिला कोई कर सकता.
मुझे कोई ट्रोल ऐसे आए भी थे, मैंने उनको बोला, मैंने कहा आप लोगों को एक बात समझ क्यों नहीं आती, मेरे पीछे पड़े रहते हैं. और मुझे ज्यादातर लगता है इंडियन फैंस है, क्योंकि इंडियंस को तो इतना मसला नहीं होगा ना कि फवाद इज वर्किंग इन पाकिस्तान. मुझे लगता है कि पाकिस्तानी फैंस इतने ज्यादा जरा थोड़े से सॉफ्ट साइड पे ही रहते हैं, उनको समझ आती है शायद मेरी पॉइंट.
Surprised at the people that came to agree with you. I'm not going to name names. I was shocked because there were Pakistani liberals, and I thought, नहीं ये लोग तो कभी नहीं आएंगे. But
नहीं, क्योंकि ये कोई हेट मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ किसी के, या ना सेल्फ हेट मैं कह रही हूँ, ना मैं किसी, मेरा कोई एजेंडा नहीं है इसमें. सिंपल सी बात ये कि, और मैं ये फवाद खान कभी जिंदगी में उनके साथ सिट डाउन हुआ, इंशाल्लाह होगा, क्यों नहीं, और उनके साथ कभी बैठूंगी और मैं उनको ये ऑफ रिकॉर्ड ऑन रिकॉर्ड दोनों ये तरफ बात करूंगी कि देखो यार, आप जैसे बंदे के पास ना एक गिफ्ट है, खुदा ने आपको नवाजा है. तो अगर आपको अल्लाह ताला इतना बड़ा कोई ट्रेजर दे दे और आप उसको, कहते ना कि योर शू मेकर्स वाइव्स गो बेयरफुट, अगर आप ये चीज करोगे ना तो फिर ज्यादती वाली बात है, और ज्यादती की है फवाद ने, ये तो अपनी जगह है. लेकिन एट द एंड ऑफ इट कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हाँ, तो मुझे लगता है जो हुमायूं ने किया है, जो फहद मुस्तफा ने किया है, और भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने वो मेंटल कैरी फॉरवर्ड किया है. ऐसे जो लोग हैं ना, हम फवाद को वैसा देखते हैं. और फवाद जो है वो वानी कपूर के साथ मूवी कर रहा है, कैमियो कर रहा है भूल भुलैया में. क्यों यार, तुम अपना लेवल.
हमें गुस्सा चढ़ा होगा, फिर भी हम देखेंगे.
नहीं, बिल्कुल बरज़ख भी देखा ही ना, बरज़ख तो बिल्कुल देखा, रिव्यू किया मैंने उसका. और बरज़ख का देखे ना, मेरा जो इशू है. क्या कह रही?
I still remember this quote on Twitter. मुझे याद नहीं है किसने कहा. And in Punjabi he was going, Sonam Bajwa. There was this big thing कि Sonam Bajwa को cast कर लेते मौला जट में and all of this. And she was saying, and no offense to Sonam, she's beautiful, great actress, and I love her Punjabi. I watched quite a few of her Punjabi films, right? But some guy comes up and he's going like, साडा मुंडा 10 नंबर और Sonam बिल्कुल 2.
अस्तगफुरुल्लाह. नहीं देखें, वो अगेन शी इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड एवरीथिंग, और मैं वानी कपूर को भी कोई डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रही, अच्छी वाली एक्ट्रेस है वो. लेकिन भाई फवाद का लेवल कुछ और है. फवाद किसी वही आपकी वाली बात. और सदफ देखें, आपकी भी ये बात नहीं, मैं कोई बायस से नहीं कह रही कि मैं फवाद को देखे क्रिटिसाइज भी कर रही हूँ, लेकिन मैं कहती हूँ कि फवाद
हमारे घर का चांदी का थान है वो. चांदी का थान है. और ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, उसमें ना घास डाल के हम लेके जाएंगे कहीं ना.
नहीं, यही तो मेरा सारी शिकायत है. बरज़ख का मेरा टेक है, मैंने तो पूरा लंबा चौड़ा रिव्यू किया, उस पर भी लोग मेरे पीछे पड़े हुए थे. मेरा सिर्फ ये टेक है कि ही इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ बरज़ख. आई फेल्ट लाइक Asim has borrowed a lot from a lot of other directors, like including Wes Anderson and Darren Aronofsky and Ingmar Bergman. But I think that his core and what he really does well is Cake. Cake is, and he's trying to do that. Yeah, it's a beautiful film. So what he's trying to do is he's trying to
watch it over and over again. Cake,
yeah,
watch it. Brilliant.
Yeah, it's a beautiful film, right? It's an organic, beautiful film. However, what he's done in Barzakh, he's borrowed from a lot of places, and he's like, these are motifs in my head, and I want to bring them together in one painting. Sometimes that painting can look very beautiful to a lot of people because that's what paintings are, right? But sometimes they don't make sense to a lot of people. I think it may not make sense to a lot of people, but like you said, I'm waiting for the next. I've seen the second episode, so I want to wait for another 4 episodes. My biggest takeaway is that Fawad Khan.
Okay, and I'm the exact opposite. I didn't notice Fawad much, right? I think he was very restrained. Yes, and I remember
he lit up the screen. He was
It was
No,
deliberate. I think he was given
he's
this
magic.
role because he will have his meat to chew. Abhi uski
Maybe.
bari nahi.
Nah, we don't
Yeah.
know. We don't know.
Yeah.
But second
He is
episode में भी नहीं है ज़्यादा कुछ उसके बारे में. But yeah, let's see.
in the third, fourth. I mean, there's a reason. I mean, like I was tweeted the other day, I want to mera farshi salam to those people that think that जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो आहद रजा मीर के लिए और इकरा अजीज, no disrespect to
नहीं, it's
activists,
Fawad and
उनके लिए
Mahira.
बाद माहिरा जो है ना वो sporting cars थे बस ना. I mean,
Sure.
I want to
Okay.
have that kind of confidence, right? Anyway, let's go back to Barzakh. I actually thought Khushhal stole the whole show, right? Because he was, I didn't expect that, and particularly, you know, the sensuous bits. I mean, हमारे यहाँ होता नहीं है सब कुछ, and usually it comes out wrong and looks silly and laughable because we are not used to it. It's not something that we appreciate as a culture, you know, open jo displays of affection. Now, I think kudos to the director, kudos to both actors that they made ke sirf gut khol raha hai, right? He's undoing her. They made it so suggestive, and it reminded me of Mola Jat. It did, because in Mola Jat too, there was like a lot of suggestive stuff, but it was like there was right. And
but I think it was done far most tastefully in Mola Jat. I didn't like the allegories in Barzakh, but I feel like the cinematography, the grading, top notch. The story and the screenplay, not so much. I feel like it isn't tied very well together.
I liked Salman Shahid. I liked you know, हमारे जो seniors हैं, Sajid Hasan.
Sajid
I mean,
Hasan,
he
so
came
good.
on एकदम वो जाग उठा
Took
सब
over.
कुछ, right?
Took
few
over.
scenes तो एकदम वो सिर्फ उन्होंने dialogue बोले and
Kamal,
that was
yaar.
it.
Hats off.
Sanam Saeed, for some reason they have subdued her, but I want to see more because
She's not
these are
subdued. She's actually narrating the story. I think that was very clever to use her heavy voice for it.
that's her character, but I want to see some fire from both of them, and I think we'll get that, as you're saying, not in the second but in the third and fourth, right?
Okay,
Because
if
it
she
is an
turns out to be a
ensemble
ghost,
cast.
I'll be very disappointed. And there are people who are asking about, like they were talking about the allegories. I don't think people fully understand some of them. I think the weight on the back is Barzakh. No, this is my interpretation. The weight on the back is Barzakh because Barzakh is a place, obviously most people know this, but
Yeah.
Barzakh is a place which is limbo, which is between your life and death. But in Muslim ideologies, Barzakh is not necessarily a bad place. Yes, it can be, but it's not necessarily a bad place, right? So I feel like the women who have died in trauma. So they're carrying their trauma, and I think the idea is that sometimes you carry negativities past your death, and it's the people who have to live with them that kind of bear with them. Because I'm not going to tell you what happens, but yeah, you'll find it in the second episode.
It was a little clumsy. I thought that
Of course, see, look, the person drawing the painting, clumsy. Those pink things, clumsy. The pink, the red moon and the pink things, the pink color, the overuse of pink, clumsy. But then there are things.
Announce करता है हर चीज को ना, welcome to Nowhere Land and all this kind of thing.
And Aka, why is he called Aka? I don't know. Yeah, that part was, there was a lot of
right. Look, it's not Disney World, okay?
Yeah. No, but that's what I'm saying, that he had these things in his head which he wanted to like push together in one box, and then he did. And it's great that people are loving it. I didn't love those allegories that much, but I loved Fawad Khan. Like Fawad, like, oh my God, I can't wait to see him again because he is brilliance. He is sheer brilliance. And every time, and I don't know why you didn't like him, but like even when he was talking and I couldn't see him.
I wanted more.
Yeah, you thought it was small, but I think in his limited screen time, he was magnificence, and he is magnificence, and he's perfection in terms of a performer. It's just that I wish that he worked in Pakistan.
All eyes are attracted to him. This is what they call screen presence, right? He's on screen immediately.
But to me,
he's
underplaying Sadaf, but to me, he's so much more than a good-looking man. He's a good-looking man, decent-looking man, but he's so much more than that. He is, the way that he has control over his voice, is masterful. masterful. Like you can write books about it. That's how good he is. बट खैर किसी को यकीन ही नहीं आएगा, लोगों को लग रहा है अब कोई कहेगा, अगर किसी को ये लग रहा है ना कि फवाद खान ने मुझे पैसे दिए, आई थिंक इट वुड बी द अल्टीमेट रिवर्स साइकोलॉजी, बिकॉज मैं उसको क्रिटिसाइज भी कर रही हूँ, मुझसे पैसे भी ले रही हूँ, आई एम द विनर हियर। एनीवे,
I'll say it for the last time. भाई हमारे घर का चांदी का थाल है,
चांदी का
उसको
थाल
सही
है।
इस्तेमाल
This is
करो।
going to be Sadaf.
हमारे
This is going to
बहुत
be the title. This is going to be the title of my video now. फवाद खान हमारे घर का चांदी का।
this is stuff I get from my father. But that's what I
Yeah.
mean about this Pagoda Lahore Nexus, because it's like, you know, oh, I don't know who I was talking about, and I was saying, pata nahi bade nakhre hai flan ke, and my
Hmm.
father, ho na de ghar da chandi da thal hai.
Ah.
Hoy pe.
Anyway, thank you so much, Sadaf. I'm out of time because my child is crying in the background.
Mhm.
As much as I want this to be a 2-hour session, inshallah, we'll carry this on when I'm in Pakistan. I'm traveling next month, guys. So we'll hopefully catch you guys again soon. Hopefully, we'll have a lot to talk about, so I won't be able to contain myself, and I'll find some corner in my brother's house and we'll chat. Sadaf, thank you so much once again for your time and your patience with me and my constantly changing timings. And my rants, guys, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I will also put, somebody was asking about Sadaf's social handles, so I'll also put that in the description. And Sadaf को अगर ड्रामों के नाम याद आए तो Sadaf comments में बता देंगी. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा, like कीजिएगा, comment कीजिएगा, subscribe कीजिएगा. Take care of yourself. Have a great day, evening ahead. Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.
Don't miss an update. Hit the bell icon and click on subscribe.